What is up guys, welcome to a brand new video of Absolute Digital. In this video I will show you how you can add a thumbnail to your YouTube video from your phone. So let's start this video by launching the YouTube Studio app. Before moving forward, you have to remember that you cannot do this from the YouTube app and you will require the YouTube Studio app. And you can easily find it on Google Play Store and Apple App Store. Now when the app is launched, you have to tap on the three bars on top left corner. Then tap on Videos. Now tap on the video of which you want to change the thumbnail. Then tap on the pencil icon at the top of the screen. And tap on the pencil icon again. And here you will see various frames of that video are suggested as the thumbnail. And there is also option to add a custom thumbnail. Now you can select a photo from your gallery. I'll just reposition it and then tap on Select on top right corner. Then tap Save on top right corner. And the thumbnail of your video is now changed. So if you find this video helpful, then do drop a like and make sure to subscribe for more tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.